So, good day everyone. My name is Arvin Valdez and I'll be explaining the main class of our program. So, dito sa main method natin, pinaprocess at pinalalabas yung mga functions ng ating library system. So, una, gumawa tayo ng library object gamit ang doubly linked list. Library equals new doubly linked list. Then, um, pagtapos, gumamit tayo ng add book para magpasok ng 5 libro na may kanya-kanyang title at bilang ng pages here. And pangalawa, tinawag natin yung library display para lumabas sa screen ang lahat ng libro. Then, gumamit din tayo ng library.search Moby Dick para hanapin kung nasa listahan ang librong Moby Dick. Then, about delete naman, ginamit natin ang library.delete book to para tanggalin ang libro na may ID number 2. At last is itong sort. Tinawag natin ang library sort para iayos ang mga libro mula sa pinaka konti hanggang sa pinaka madaming pages. So, that's it. That's all.
Hi, I'm Rezi Panascartanyo and I'm here para i-discuss sa inyo ang aming node class, ang aming doubly linked list. So, to start off, sa isang doubly linked list, meron tayong node class. And it's a blueprint for our train car. For example, no? On its own, of course, ino-hold nito yung cargo niya. But it's designed para eventually ma-hook up natin yung cars in front of it and of course behind of it, no? And so to break down our node class, we have first these attributes. So looking at our code, the private attributes are divided. Yung private attributes natin are divided into two jobs. So the first three, which is the int ID, string title, and int pages, yun yung mga actual information about the book. And yung last two is the node next and node prev, yun yung mga literal hooks sa front and back of our train car na magko-connect dun sa other nodes, no? And we have here this constructor, no? And kapag tinatawag natin yung constructor to create a new book, we give it a title, no? And number of pages. And we'll notice na yung next and previous natin is ito now. Kasi brand new node siya and hindi pa siya connected dun sa entirety of list. It's just floating by itself as of now, no? And lastly, we have here our getters and setters, no? Because yung attributes natin is marked as private as for security and it's called encapsulation. Yung mga outside classes natin can just reach in and mess with its data and pointers. And if yung main library natin is gustong basahin yung title or i-change yung next connection, it has to politely ask using these specific public methods. And yes, that's how our node class works. No? Thank you and goodbye.
So, hello, this is Rinsamo Magkalas and I will be explaining the add book method for our midterm laboratory activity. And here is the structure of our method. And then the parameter of the add book accepts string, title, and int pages that will be inserted in the new node right here when we create a new node containing the book information. And then it will check if the head is equal to null. Then if it is null, then the head and tail will be assigned to the new node. So here is a visual representation of it. Okay. Here is the node that was added, and here is the title and the pages. So if the head is equal to null, then the list is empty. This is empty. Okay. And if we go, so here is the visual representation of the add book or add node method. So here is the node with the title and the pages, and it will check if the head is equal to null. If it is null, then the list is empty, and then the head will be assigned to the new node and the tail also. And this is the starting point of the starting node for the list. That's all.
So, ito po yung else ng ano. So, una, go-connect natin yung next sa bagong node. Pagkatapos nun, yung i-connect po natin yung brief sa text. Pagkatapos po yun, ilalagay po yung tails sa bagong node na ginawa po natin. After that, maglalagay po tayo ng ID, which is what? Ito po. Tapos, i-increment po niya yung ID. So, magiging 2 po siya. Tapos, magdi-display po na book added successfully yung title. Yun po yung code. So, next is paano po siya mangyayari. So, ito po. Nandito po yung head. Tapos, dito po yung tails muna. So, add node. Ilagay po yung title and pages. Pagkatapos po nun, iset po yung next sa ayun. Iset po yung tails sa node. Dito po. Pati po yung head. Kasi null pa rin po siya. So, pagkatapos po nun, pupunta po tayo dito. Naka-interpret po siya. So, which means ID is 1. Yung previous node. Tapos, increment by 2. Increase by 1. Wala. So, may bagong node po tayo. I-add po yung titles and pages.
Greetings sir, I'm Earl Nathaniel Lignes and I'll be explaining the display method na ginawa po ng group namin. So una po dito sa display method, mag-print po tayo ng library books forward traversal po muna. Then gumawa po kami ng node variable na may pangalang current. Then yung current nakaturo po siya sa head. Yung head po, yung pinakaunang node po. Then gumawa po kami ng while loop na may condition po na current is not or equal to null. Pag magkagana po yung loop hanggang yung current ay hindi pa po null. Pag nag-null na po yung current po, magtitigil na po yung loop. Then yung pinakauna pong current which is yung head, ipiprint po namin yung information po nung head, yung ID niya, yung title and yung pages. Yung current po yun. Tapos yung current which is yung head, magbabago na po yung current. Ang magiging bagong magiging bagong ituturo niya yung get next, yung kasunod po nung head. Then yung uulit po yung loop, pupunta po ulit dito sa print. Then kukunin po ulit yung get ID, yung title, pages nung kasunod po nung head. Then yung uulit din po to yung current, magiging current.getNext. Yung pangalawa ituturo na po yung current sa pangatlo. Then uulit po yung loop, yung pangatlong information, yung information po na pangatlong node, yung ID, yung title, yung pages, ipiprint naman po yun. Hanggang sa magpaulit-ulit po yung loop. Pag nasa pinakadulo na po, yung node, ay yung current, pag nasa pinakadulong node na, ipiprint out po yung information po ng pinakahuling node, yung ID po niya, yung title, yung pages. Tapos yung current, yung kukunin niya po yung katabi ng pinaka-last, which is yung null. Then yung current magiging null na po. Tapos titigil na po yung loop kasi yun nga po yung condition ng while. Magtutuloy-tuloy po yung while hanggang hindi pa po null yung current. Then yun lang po para sa display method po namin. Thank you.
Greetings everyone, my name is Jerwin Kulanag and nandito po ako para explain yung layout ng deleting process. So, makikita po natin sa first layout is merong 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So, ang gusto po natin mangyari dito is i-delete po natin si node number 2. So, ang mangyayari, pag na-delete po natin si node number 2, mapupunta po siya sa garbage collector kung saan mawawala na po siya sa mismong layout. Bali, ang matitira is we want 1, 3, 4, and 5. Then, ang kakalabasan po nito, ito po, yung arrow po ni node number 1 is kukonekta kay 3. And yung arrow po ni number 3, kukonekta kay 1. So, ang magiging output po is 1, 3, 4, and 5. Yun lamang po, and thank you.
Good day, sir. I am Angelo Cruz Castañeda. So I'm here to discuss the delete book method of our project. So, yan. Public void delete book. Int ID, integer kasi, ang i-input sa ID is integer. Then next, if invalid ID, system.out.println invalid input ID. Return. Yan. Kung invalid yung in-input ni user na ID yan, ito mapiprint yan. Invalid kasi nga, bawal yung in-input niya na ID or wala dun sa list. So, next is while current is not equal to null, dito naman is hindi titigil yung current hanggat di siya nag-i-equal sa null. Then, if current.getID is equals to ID, case 1, only one node exists. If head equals to tail, head equals null, tail equals null, kailangan sila mag-null. Then, case 2, deleting the first node. Else if current equals to head. Kung yung current is equals to head, kailangan is kunin natin yung kasunod nung head para hindi siya maging null. Kaya head equals current.getNext. Then head.set previous null. Case 3, deleting the last node. If current naman is equals to tail, tail equals current.getPrevious para kukunin yung previous na node para hindi maging null din yung tail. Tapos tail.setNext null. Case 4, deleting node in the middle. Else, node previous equals current.getPrev, node next equals current.getNext, previous.setNext next, next.setPrevious. Then third to last is system.out.println, book with ID plus ID. Ito is ipiprint niya na kung na-delete na ng system yung ID na gusto mong i-delete. Then current equals current.getNext. Ito is mahalaga, syempre, kasi kung yung current is iisa lang yung value, maglo-loop siya ng paulit-ulit kasi walang ang kasunod na node. Yan, kaya importante itong current equals current.getNext. Then lastly, system.out.println, book with ID plus ID is not found. Dito naman is kung hindi nakita yung ID after traversing the whole list. And then the next method is search book. So that will be reported by our next member. That's all. Thank you.
Good day everyone, I'm Jen Melvirador and I'm here to discuss the search functions of our doubly linked list. So, as you can see dito sa pinakauna, chinek muna namin yung linked list if empty ba. And if empty ba, magpiprint siya ng the library is empty, there's nothing to search, and then magre-return na. So, yan, para ma-prevent lang na mag-run to if ever na walang laman. So, dito, sa una, nag-print lang muna tayo ng pang-display lang. Para ito yung magsasabi kung ano yung hahanapin natin. Searching for title. Kunyari ang hinahanap natin dito is Moby Dick. So, ang lalabas dyan, searching for Moby Dick. And then, yan. And gumawa lang tayo ng lagayan ng head. Kasi yung current, ito yung mag-iterate sa linked list. So, yung una is head. So, head pa lang una niyang laman. And dito, gumamit kami ng while loop. So, as you can see here, while current is not equals to null. So, yung current daw, hanggat hindi pa siya null, magra-run to. And sa loob naman, yung conditional statement, if current.getTitle that equals to title, magdi-display siya. So, ang di-display niya is yung book ID yung title, and then yung pages ng book. And then tsaka siya magre-return. Kasi if wala tong return, i-iterate pa rin siya kahit na nahanap na natin yung book. So, para hindi na mag-iterate. And then dito, kapag hindi pumasok sa if, eto na, mag-move to the next node, which is yung gagalaw na yung current. And then yung current that get next na yung magiging value niya. And then, if napunta na siya dito, so ibig sabihin, hindi nahanap yung yung book kasi hindi siya nag-return. So, pag pumunta dito, ibig sabihin nun, hindi nahanap yung book sa loob ng library. Kaya magpiprint ng the book title was not found in library. So, dito tayo sa Canva. So, dito, nangyayari yun. So, sabi nga natin kanina, yung current is siya yung head. So, equals to head. So, ito yung head natin. Yung Pride and Prejudice. And then, yung next neto is itong si Moby Dick. So, first iteration, ito yung current. So, yung current, i-compare natin siya sa Moby Dick. So, yung title, is current that equals to Moby Dick? So, hindi. Edi, kukunin niya, mag-move tayo sa next current. So, current equals current that get next. And then dito, ito yung next nung current. So, ito na yung magiging value nung current. So, is current that get title that equals to Moby Dick? So, magtutrue siya. And then mag-print yung itong the book found, book ID, and then yung title, and then yung pages. So, ayan na. And doon na mag-i-stop yung iteration. Kaya may return tayong So, pag kunyari palitan natin ng pangalan. So, pag wala dyan yung Moby Dick, magka-current get next lang siya hanggang sa maging null. So, pag naging null na yung current, dito na siya papasok. So, titigil yung loop. Dito na siya papasok sa the book title was not found in library. So, ibig sabihin nun, wala sa linked list yung hinahanap nating book.
Greetings everyone, I'm Raven Desira. I-explain ko dito sa code namin is yung sorting. Dito po sa sorting, may kita nyo po, ang una pong may kita ninyo ay yung yung if conditional na titingnan kung empty yung linked list. Pag empty po yung linked list, magbabalik po siya ng print na wala daw pong laman at wala kailang i-sort. Tapos i-return niya po para matapos na po yung buong method. Pero po, pag meron naman po siyang laman, magko-continue po siya dito, magpiprint siya, ipiprint niya po muna yung books have been sorted by numbers, pages, mula sa pinakamababa hanggang doon po sa pinakamataas. Pagkatapos po nun, magagana po yung loop po natin na while loop na hanggat hindi po nagiging null yung current, gagana po siya. Magpo-proceed tapos magpo-proceed po tayo sa node next equals to current that get next. Kinukuha po dito yung susunod na node ng current. Then after po nun, yung while loop naman po na-explain po ni Mr. Jerry Barameda.
So, pagdating naman po dito sa inner loop, dito sa while, pag yung next daw po is not equal to null, pupunta siya dito sa if statement na current.getPages is greater than next.getPages.
Yun yung may concern.
At,
Sino yung nag-raise hand?
wait,
Number one.
naririnig si Sir.
May concern po ba?
Okay, ulit. Dito naman sa inner loop, pagdating dito sa while next is not equal to null, papasok siya dito sa if statement na current.getPages is greater than next.getPages. Pagdating dito, iswap niya na yung mas malaki kaysa dun sa mas maliit kasi nasa ascending order tayo na smallest to largest. So, gagawa tayo ng int temp pages is equal to current.getPages. Tapos, set natin yung current set pages to next.getPages para mag-swap sila. Tapos, next.setPages temp pages. So, pagdating naman dito sa baba, sa swap titles is string temp title is equal to current.getTitle para mag-swap yung dalawa. Then, current.setTitle, next.getTitle. Then next.setTitle sa loob ng title. Tapos dito naman, gumawa ulit ng panibagong int temporary variable para sa ID naman. Ganun lang din naman yung setup nun. Tapos dito naman sa baba is i-move yung para makuha yung next node for comparison. Tapos dito naman sa isa, ganun din para makuha yung next mode, current is equal to current.getNext. Tapos yun sa display na.
Dito po, makikita niyo po yung sa sorting. For example po, itong nasa laman po ng 1, 3, 4. For example po, yung 3, yung laman po ng 3 na pages, mas maliit po yung pages ng book na nasa pang third po na node. Ang gagawin niya po, ipagsaswap niya po yung places ng 3 at 1 na makikita niyo po dito sa pangalawa pong diagram. And
Pa-check nga yung akin.
ito po yung magiging ito po yung parang magiging final output po
Ay, sino
pagka
nag-edit?
tapos po nung
Tanong yung sa
So,
Discord.
Pangit ang pangit.
sorting.
Pwede
Yun lang
ng
po.
pangit.
Thank you po.
Asan ba?